Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we are checking out this beautiful pre-owned 2014 Ford Focus ST hatchback. The exterior color is silver, and under the hood we have a 2-liter engine paired to a 6-speed manual transmission. At the front we have LED daytime running lights, fog lights, and an engine block heater. Over at the side we have 18-inch aluminum wheels wrapped in Goodyear, as well as heated mirrors. We also have color match handles and mirror caps. This pre-owned 2014 Ford Focus ST also comes with remote start and keyless entry. At the rear we have privacy tinted glass with embedded defroster, power release liftgate, and a rear camera with reverse sensing system. At the interior we have tons of driver-friendly features, including power locks, power windows, mirror settings, and door storage. As we move into the cabin, you will see we have black leather with our adjustments on the side. Over at our steering column we have headlamp settings and power hatch liftgate. We have our cruise control settings to the left on our tilt steering wheel, and to the right we have our media and hands-free options. Looking above we have our rear view mirror and our cabin light settings. Looking forward, you can see this pre-owned 2014 Ford Focus ST has 39,091 kilometers. Looking ahead at our center face, you can see we have many options such as entertainment and climate. This unit also has Sony audio and comes with a CD player, as well as Sirius XM radio and sync. Just below we have our dual climate control area, which offers heating and air conditioning to the entire cabin. Our middle console offers dual cup holders, our manual shifter, heated seat options, and a ton of storage. At the rear, passengers have power windows as well as bench seating. If there are any more questions about this beautiful pre-owned 2014 Ford Focus ST hatchback, do not hesitate to contact our friendly and professional sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions you may have. We would like to thank you for shopping here with us at Boundary Ford.